Manipur hasini pati mungnatiyai belai khayok jangmani koksaka Student Federation Tripura Manipur Student Youth Coordination Committee ti Tripura Jharkhandi Samas Unnayana Parishad karak salo Agartala Press Club o kaisa kokthum banda khalayai Tongkwchang te Bayabchari Mwthangwi Naruknani bagai Koimung Narukha o kaitham rungsrang Mothani ojamarok Communal Ishunati Kaini Dopani Bishingo Choprab Laimani Pati Mungo Belanya Tungplajak Manipur. Turuk Tei Basi Hamya Phasing Thangai Tongo Manipur Hasteni Tongkhor. Aboni Bagai Saksangni Hasteo Kifili Thangani Nangkha Manipur Thangai Pori Wai Tongnai Jotorang Srungnai Rok. Manipur Hasteni Pati Mungnati Belai Khayok Jangmani Koksaka Student Federation Tripura Manipur Student Youth Coordination Committee Te Tripura Jharkhandi Samas Unnayana Parishad. Karak salo Agartala Press Club o kaisa kokthum panda khalayai Tongkwchang te Bayabchari Mwthangwi Naruknani bagai Koimung Narukha TSF ni haste Tangphang John De Burma.
John organized a press meet organized by the Tripura Students Federation TSF and the Tripura Manipuri Students Youth Coordination Committee and the Tripura Jharkhandi Samas Unnayana Samiti. So before we begin our press meet, we'll first introduce our self-introduction. So myself, John De Burma, the General Secretary of TSF. So we have the General Secretary of Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee, Mr. Bimal Singha, and we have
myself, Dr. Singha, and the President of the TMSYCCO.
I am Praveen Singha. I am Joint Secretary of Tripura Manipuri Student Youth Coordination Committee.
আমি অনন্ত ওরাম ত্রিপুরা ঝাড়খণ্ড সমাজ উন্নয়ন সমিতি
Namaskar. I am Vikas Debarma, the Vice President of TSF.
So, as we already know, the incident that took place in Manipur, as we are all aware. So, as a brother and as a northeastern state, today we call for a peace in Manipur, jointly which is organized by the three organizations here in Tripura. See, we know that the people, both the Kukis, Meiteis and the Nagas have been living peacefully in Manipur. So we appeal to the people living in Manipur, all the tribes, to bring that peace and harmony back again to their state. This is not a peaceful manner where we, the people living in Northeast, what we love. What we love is we love to live in peaceful manner. So this incident has brought to the people of Northeast a great concern for each one of us. It really shocked us by these clashes among the Manipuri and the Kukis. So we appeal to the people to have peace and harmony, to bring back again. And also we ask the government, and we feel that this is totally the failure of the state government of Manipur, the administration, as well as the failure of the central government to protect the people. This is totally a serious matter. So at this juncture, the government, the administration should look, how can this peace be restored? What are the steps, what are the ways forward to bring and to solve an amicable solution for the people? Let there be a dialogue between the different communities in Manipur. That is what how can they resolve it without any effects to any community? That is why we have called for this press meet and also as well as for the to be peace in Manipur. We call for peace in Manipur, as well as we pray that so many casualties have taken place in Manipur. So we pray for them also. And also the government should compensate the victims who have been suffering. There is lots of irreparable losses, life of many people in Manipur. Many innocent people have lost. So for that, the government should compensate them, should rehabilitate them in a manner where there will not be any effect on both the communities. So we also like to appeal to the universities and colleges that at this juncture, let there be no let there be postponement of examination in university if they are going to hold. Because since most of the students are already back home from the state of Manipur, so we appeal the dean of college, universities to postpone the exam until the normalcy has been back to the Manipur state.
Kokthum Pandawa TSF ni bakhakti manjaka TSF ni haste tangphangjon deborma TMSYCCO ni engai manjaka TMSYCCO General Secretary S Bimal Sinha te TJSUS ni engai manjaka TJSUS ni General Secretary Ananto Orang Raja Khora Aguli ni simi Krisano ni Kokthum Chini Khorang